Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS8220 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS8220 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best match should say Canon support for PIXMA TS8220. Open that up. And then on this page here, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. Scrolling down again, you want to go underneath software and driver results and then locate the item in here that should say print driver and scan utility installer. Select download. And then once it's downloaded to our computer, go ahead and open up that file to run it. If you receive a user account control prompt, should be a Canon Inc. verified publisher here. Select yes, and then proceed with the installation. You have to select next, select your country, and then your end user license agreement terms. You have to accept those. And then once you're done, you can either connect via Wi-Fi or USB connection, depending on your preference. And then once you've done that, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.